Let's do another party dip that I'm gonna call Poblano Escobar. Why? Because it's made with Poblano peppers, a pile of money, and a whole lot of coca. Remember, before you start doing hot peppers and digging into these things, put your gloves on because you'll be stinging your wiener. There's a few ways to do this. If you have one of these fancy dancy little things right here that we got for a gift, and you can kind of run it around, kind of hollowing this thing out. The other way is if you have one of these old school peelers here, I like to run it down the sides. You just have a nice little hole in there.
Okay.
The other way to do this, super simple, cut these things in half, take a spoon, start from the tip of there, just the tip, and just scrape that stuff out of there. Doesn't have to look pretty because we are going to grind this stuff into a dip anyway. Do you know why I like the name of this dip? Because Pablo Escobar was smoked too. Let's get this out on the pit and smoke this shit. Check that deliciousness out. Test these to see if they're good. You could actually go a little bit longer. They're not really all that squishable yet. We want squishiness. Yo, we've got Poblano Escobar in a bowl here. We added about a 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna cover this with tin foil, stick it in the oven at about 300 degrees. Maybe 40 minutes. Why are peppers so damn angry? They're jalapeno shit. A little bit of an onion, black pepper, so that we can tell our people that we do our vegetables. We gotta do the token spinach. Parmesan cheese, a healthy bunch of it. An avocado. You can scoop it, plop it, dip it with anything to carry it into your face hole. This dip was so damn good, you have to do air drum. That shit's better than tits on Ritz.